In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Revolut Business with WordPress. Before we dive in, make sure you already have a Revolut Business account that's verified and that you can log into the dashboard. Verification is important because payment features won't work properly until your account status is confirmed. Also, ensure you have admin access to your WordPress site so you can install and configure plugins. Start on your Revolut Business dashboard. Head to Settings, then into Integrations. Here, look for WordPress or a compatible integration in the Apps Marketplace. This section is where Revolut exposes the tools and credentials your website needs to talk to your account securely. Now switch over to your WordPress admin. Install a suitable Revolut integration plugin. If your site runs on WooCommerce, the easiest path is to install the Revolut Gateway for WooCommerce from the official WordPress plugin directory. After installing, activate the plugin and you'll see new payment settings available inside WooCommerce. Next, authenticate the connection. Back in your Revolut dashboard, locate your API or integration credentials. You'll typically see keys or secrets generated for your account. Treat these like sensitive information and never share them publicly. If there's a test mode, it's a good idea to start there until you're confident everything works. Return to WordPress and open the plugin settings. Paste your credentials into the fields provided. Save your changes so the plugin can establish a secure link with your Revolut business account. If your site uses HTTPS, you'll usually get smoother checkout experiences and better security, which most payment providers expect. With the connection in place, configure the plugin. Enable Revolut as a payment gateway for checkout so customers can select it on your store. Set your shop currency to match your business account. Choose the payment methods you'll accept and customize the display label to something clear like Pay with Revolut. This helps shoppers recognize the option and builds trust at checkout. It's time to test the flow. On your WordPress site, add a product to your cart, go to checkout, and select Revolut as your payment method. Complete the test order as a customer would. Once done, return to your Revolut business dashboard and verify that the transaction appears correctly with the right amount, currency, and status. Finally, review your setup to ensure your site and Revolut are in sync. Confirm orders are updating as expected and that your storefront reflects the payment option consistently. Wrap up by checking that your checkout process aligns with regulations in your country, including UK or EU requirements where applicable. Keeping your plugin and WordPress up to date will help maintain a reliable connection over time.